In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Jira saved filter with your organization or make it public. If you've ever built the perfect Jira filter, shared it with teammates, and then found out they couldn't open it because of permissions, you know how frustrating that can be. The good news is that Jira makes this process much easier when you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open your filter settings, update the visibility, and confirm that everything is shared correctly. To get started, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira Cloud site. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top navigation bar and click Filters. This is where Jira keeps your saved searches and shared query views, so it's the starting point for managing access. After clicking Filters, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Manage Filters. This takes you to the main Filters directory, where you can see the saved filters connected to your account. Think of this page as your central library for all the queries you've created or saved over time. Now find the specific filter you want to share. Take a moment to scan the list carefully so you choose the correct one. When you locate it, move to the far right side of that filters row and click the three-dot More Actions icon. From the menu that appears, choose Edit. This opens the filter's settings so you can adjust how other people are allowed to view it. In the Filter Details window, look for the section labeled Viewer Permissions or Shares. This is the key area for controlling access. By default, many filters are set to private, which means only you can view them. Open the Access dropdown and choose the visibility level you want. Select My Organization if you want anyone in your company's Jira environment to access it. If your Jira instance allows it and you need broader access, you can choose Public. After selecting the right option, click Add so the new permission is applied to the sharing list. There's also a useful shortcut if you're creating a new filter directly in the JQL editor. After saving the query, click Details near the filter name. This opens the same sharing settings without requiring you to go back through the Manage Filters page, which can save time when you're working quickly. Once your permissions are set, click the Save button at the bottom of the window. Jira will update the filter and close the dialog. As a final check, return to the Manage Filters list and confirm that the sharing column now shows organization or public. That verification step helps ensure your filter is live and accessible to the right audience. That's it. Your Jira filter is now shared and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.